Hello everybody and welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Kim and I'm doing 12 daily Vlogmas videos and I'm doing it from Las Vegas. It's travel and lifestyle vlogs, and if that's something you enjoy, if you get to the end of this video and you enjoy it, consider joining the team by subscribing. Right guys, it's actually the afternoon. It's not good morning, it's good afternoon. The time is now 10 to 2 and I'm just about to leave the room for the first time. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you'll know I got to bed very late, or early hours of this morning, and I just got a couple of hours sleep and I've been up basically just doing admin this morning. I was doing my laundry. But the plan for now though is I'm about to head up. I'm just super cash today, sweatsuit, New Balance sneakers. I'll show you guys later when I come back because I'm in a bit of a rush because I have very special dinner reservations tonight. But the plan for now is to go downstairs and get my second coffee. And then I need to go to the fashion show mall. I need to go to the Apple store to get a SD card reader. But I can't stay long because, like I said, I've got very special dinner reservations for early tonight. So I'm not going to have that much time. My dinner reservations are for 5:30. But yeah, let's get this day going, shall we? Day 3 of Vlogmas. If you've watched the previous vlogs, have you been enjoying the video so far? And if you haven't watched the previous vlogs and you've just clicked on this video, I suggest you go back to the beginning, start at day 1 and then come back to this one. But yeah, let's go. Come on, let's go. Are you coming?
Wait till I get my money right. Wait till I get my money right.
Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20, 40, 1, 2, and 3.
Guys, future Kim here. This is a few days ahead of this vlog and I am editing this vlog and trying to get it out. And I've just wanted to let you guys know that yesterday I had a bit of a faux pas with some footage and I accidentally deleted some clips. I don't know how I did it, but I did. My fat finger must have pressed something I shouldn't have pressed, and yeah, I deleted some clips from the DJI and the clips are over the next 2 days, so I just wanted to come and let you know if the vlogs seem a little bit disjointed. That's the reason. There's missing footage and I'm trying to do the best I can to put it together so it makes sense. But it's just for a couple of days and then we're going to get back into it. So thanks for your patience guys, and I'm really sorry if the vlogs seem a bit strange over the next couple of days. I had a quick 10 minutes to get ready, so I just had the same face on as I had earlier today, and I just changed my lip to the Ruby Woo with the Night Moth. I found my Night Moth lip liner, and this is just an old dress from Zara, knitted dress, leopard heels. I don't know if you can see all of this. I might have to show you in the mirror.
Party out there.
Guys, you're never going to believe it. I rushed to get ready to go to my reservation for 5:30 and I went to the wrong restaurant. The reservation is for tomorrow and I have another reservation at a different restaurant tonight. So I just got a glass of champagne from the Tower Suites bar and I'm going to have this because I have now another 45 minutes before my reservation. I cannot believe I rushed because I'm tired, you see. So we're going to have a glass of champagne in the casino and then make our way to Casa Playa for dinner. Back in the room. just for a couple of minutes because I'm going to change my shoes. Because I wore these heels because I thought I was just going downstairs here at the Wynn, and I got the reservation wrong, and now I've got to walk to the Encore. So we're changing into flats. Okay, so a complete outfit change because my flats didn't go with my dress. So I quickly got changed, and I've just got this leopard, very thin jumper from Zara, and this satin midi skirt, and that goes better with these Alaya dupes. Because Casa Playa is not super dressy, it's a little bit, not casual, but it's not, you know, it didn't call for walking all the way in heels. So I feel much more comfortable in these, and I'll save the heels for tomorrow night, and I attempt to go back to the restaurant tomorrow. Guys, it's like 4:45 a.m. I just woke up. I don't know why I'm surprised. Vegas naps will get you. So it's like, I don't even know what time I spoke to you last night. I think it must have been like 9 o'clock or 9:30. So I've had a good 6-hour little nap. But I needed it, I was exhausted, so I'm glad. Anyway, I didn't want to end the vlog now. Okay, I didn't want to end the vlog like that. So today's vlog, we're going to end it in the casino. We're going to go down, we're going to play a couple $100 together and see how we get on. I'm just throwing on my quick casino outfit. This is a tracksuit from Zara, sweatsuit, and I love the straight leg trousers. It's nice and soft, super comfy. It's got a hood. The only thing I don't like is that the trousers don't have pockets. I find that weird. I like to put my hands in my pockets if I've got a sweatsuit on. And then my casino shoes, my Ugg slippers. So let's go and see if we can make some magic to end the vlog. Although it's been quite a magical day already, to be honest. Okay, there's music, and gonna get done for copyright, so I'll see you in the casino. So we're just here on Tiki Fire, and we got a bonus, $2.50 a spin, 10 cents. Let's see what we can do. The major is maxed out at 1,000. That would be nice. Come on, save it, save it. Oh gosh, come on, anything, anything. Oh gosh, that was terrible. At least we got a bonus. We'll try again. One more. Oh gosh. Okay, I'll be back when I get a bonus. Well, Tiki Fire was a bust, so now we're gonna go and look for something else to play. I think we're gonna go over and see if the Dollar Storm is free. And we'll play 100 in the Dollar Storm. So we're here at Dollar Storm and I've put in 100 and we just got a bonus. We're on a $1 denomination. Let's get something exciting. Come on, something nice and big. Come on, one more. Oh gosh. Okay, we got some kings for 20. Retrigger. Oh my gosh. Oh, if that queen was up there, that would have been amazing. Okay, $40. Not great. Let's try some more. So we just got the hold and spin not long after the bonus. Now we need something exciting. Come on. Nice. A mini or a minor would be amazing. The grand is maxed out at 20,000. But I'll take a mini for 250. Come on, let's get something exciting. Save it. One more, come on. One more. Oh, okay, that's it. Let's see what we got. $85, better than nothing.
I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't want to see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, babe.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?
If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and sentenced to a quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hoopty for my bands, would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I get out and kill a nigga cap, chill and drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap cause I flip burgers at Burger King, would you be ashamed to tell your friends you're feeling me? In the bed if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a love letter, would you write back? Now we can have a little drink, you know, a nightcap, and we can go do what you like, I know you like that.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, so stuck. Could you love me in a Bentley? Could you love me on a bus? I'll ask 21 questions, and they all about us. Could you love me in a Bentley?